हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग सीटेट पेपर सेकंड साइंस में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस जो 2011 में आए थे, जो सीटेट पहली बार ही अपने एग्ज़ाम लिया था, उस पेपर में आए हुए साइंस पेपर सेकंड के क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आप लोगों को हम कुछ सेकंड देंगे, आप लोग भी आंसर अपने माइंड में रखिएगा, राइट। और देखिए लास्ट में आपका 20 में कितना आ रहा है, राइट। चलिए पहला क्वेश्चन, बेकेलाइट इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल एप्लियंसेस बिकॉज इट इज अ थर्मोप्लास्टिक, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, गुड इंसुलेटर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। राइट आंसर इज गुड इंसुलेटर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in which of the following cases of motion are the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement equal? A car moving on a straight road, a car moving in a circular path, a car oscillating to and fro, the earth revolving around the sun. The right answer is a car moving on a straight road. Next question, LED and CFL are very commonly used as sources of light in homes. Which of the following statement is true? CFL is better because LED contains toxic materials. LED is better because CFL contains toxic material. Both are equally good. Neither of them is good because both contain toxic material. The right answer is LED is better because CFL contains toxic material. और आप साथ साथ LED एंड CFL की फुल फॉर्म आप कमेंट करिए, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हम लोगों का, एन एयर बबल इनसाइड वाटर बिहेव्स लाइक अ कनकेव लेंस, कन्वेक्स लेंस, प्लानो कन्वेक्स लेंस, कनकेव मिरर। आपको डायग्राम से आपको समझ आ रहा होगा कि ये कनकेव लेंस की तरह काम करता है। कौन? वाटर बबल्स, जब वो वाटर के एयर बबल्स जब वो वाटर के अंदर प्रेजेंट रहता है। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ फीदर वेइंग 5 ग्राम and a nail weighing 10 gram have the same kinetic energy. Which of the following statement is true about the momentum of two bodies? The lighter body will have higher momentum. The heavier body will have higher momentum. Both will equal momentum. Both will have equal momentum. It is not possible to compare momentum of both objects. The right answer is the heavier body will have higher momentum. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोगों का, if the pressure over a liquid increases, its boiling point decreases, increases, does not change, first increase and then decrease. The right answer is increases. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोगों का, a doctor prescribes a medicine to treat hyperacidity. The main ingredient of the medicine is AlOH का whole thrice, MgCl2, CaCO3, Na2CO3. The right answer is AlOH का whole thrice, एल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोगों का, नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स are acidic in nature, are basic in nature, are amphoteric in nature. Turn red litmus paper blue. The right answer is are acidic in nature. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं हम लोग। The inner surface of food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc because zinc is costlier than tin. Zinc is more reactive than tin. Zinc has a higher melting point than tin. Zinc is less reactive than tin. The right answer is zinc is more reactive than tin. Zinc is more reactive than tin. Next question is, a man goes door to door posing as a goldsmith. He promises to bring back the glitter on dull gold ornaments. A unsuspecting woman gives a set of gold bangles to him, which he dips in a particular solution. The bangles sparkle, but their weight has considerably reduced. The solution used by the impostor probably is dilute hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid, a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid. So the right answer is a mixture of concentrated हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड नाइट्रिक एसिड, जिसको हम लोग एक्वा रीजिया बोलते हैं, और रॉयल वाटर भी बोलते हैं। आप हमको कमेंट में बताएंगे कि व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ कंसंट्रेटेड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड टू नाइट्रिक एसिड इन एक्वा रीजिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग मूव करते हैं। ब्लीडिंग इज stopped by application of alum to wound because the wound is plugged by the alum chunk. Alum coagulates the blood and forms a clot. Alum reduces the temperature near the wound. Alum is antiseptic. The right answer is alum coagulates the blood and forms a clot. Next question. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, the color of copper sulfate solution fades and a brownish layer is deposited over the iron nail. This is an example of combination reaction, decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction, displacement and redox reaction. The right answer is displacement and redox reaction. Next question is, while diluting sulfuric acid, it is recommended that the acid should be added to water because acid has a strong affinity for water. Acid may break the glass container. Dilution of acid is highly exothermic. Dilution of acid is highly endothermic. The right answer is dilution of acid is highly exothermic. Next question is, the thumb of humans moves freely than other fingers due to presence of pivotal joints, gliding joint, hinge joint, saddle joint. The right answer is saddle joint. Next question, root cap is absent in xerophytes, hydrophytes, mesophytes and halophytes. The right answer is hydrophytes. The right answer is hydrophytes. The right answer is hydrophyte. नेक्स्ट हम लोग चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा, एडिंग साल्ट एंड शुगर टू फूड सब्सटेंस हेल्प्स इन प्रिजर्विंग them for a longer duration. It is because excess salt and sugar plasmolysis the microbial cells, causes rupturing of microbial cells, cause change in shape of microbial cells, remove water from food. The right answer is for this question is plasmolysis the microbial cells. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग मूव करते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हार्मोन एड्रेनालिन helps control level of sugar in the blood, helps the body to adjust a stress level when one is very angry or worried, helps control height, helps control balance of electrolytes in body. Right answer is helps the body to adjust stress level when one is very angry or worried. Hormone adrenaline helps the body to adjust stress level when one is very angry or worried. Next question is, The greenhouse effect, which is causing an increase in the atmospheric temperature, is mainly due to oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur. The right answer is carbon dioxide. Next question. Green plants appear to release oxygen instead of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere during the daytime because green plants do not respire during the night time. Green plants respire only during the daytime. Green plants respire during the daytime but are involved in photosynthesis during the night time. The rate of photosynthesis is higher than the rate of respiration during daytime. The right answer is option number 4. The rate of photosynthesis is higher than the rate of respiration during the daytime. Last question is, a common characteristics feature of plant sieve tube cells and mammalian erythrocytes is, erythrocytes means it is talking about RBCs, right? Absence of nucleus, absence of chloroplast, absence of cell wall, presence of hemoglobin. The right answer is absence of न्यूक्लियस, राइट। ये रहा हमारा आखिरी क्वेश्चन। आप कमेंट करके बताइए आपका आउट ऑफ 20 कितना रहा सही, आप कमेंट करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद।